Beveling extra long parts on the FasRapid with Precision Bevel LLC. We recently sent out an email blast with a video about beveling a long armored plate bar. That video got a lot of attention and we received a great deal of positive feedback from customers. In this next video, we want to focus on how we bevel bars of an oversized length that exceed the length of the beveling machine. This video will illustrate the enormous capability of the FasRapid and the ease with which we can bevel extra long parts. In this case study video, we have 4 bars to bevel that are more than 14 feet long. We want to show our viewers how easy it is to manipulate and process the bars. In this picture, you will see the excess length of the bar hanging out on the far end of the machine on the right-hand side. In this sequence here, we wanted to show you how easy it is to move about heavy plate. This is an almost 1-ton piece of steel. You can see the built-in rolls that lift the steel bar and how easily an operator can manipulate heavy plate just with their bare hands. The operator is moving the piece back and forth, left and right for video illustration prior to clamping. Here you see the rolls being extended. Now they are being retracted and then switched in order to enable the in-out movement. And again, you can see the ease with which the operator manipulates the heavy piece. These retracting rolls are a special feature of the FasRapid that is unique and enables, facilitates, and makes the handling of heavy parts very simple and easy for even one person to use the machine. Okay, let's go ahead and do one part. Here you see the piece is clamped from the outside. The first picture here shows how it is clamped on the inside. One end of the part is close to the grinding unit. You can see in the next few pictures the full extension of the plate. You can also see the far end of the steel piece sticking out beyond the reach of the operating range and even beyond the physical size of the machine. In this initial position and first clamping, we apply the first bevel to one side of the piece. You see the first half of the bar being completely beveled in multiple steps. As the beveling sequence is completed, you can then see the piece being pulled out as we saw in the earlier sequence. It is moved forward to its next positioning point. Now you can see that the far end of the steel bar is within the range of the grinding unit. And you see it in this picture where we see the far end corner of the plate is now in the clamping range and the operating range of the grinding unit. Now the beveling process continues and the remaining section of the bar is beveled in multiple passes. The finished result is a complete bevel along the full length of the bar where the transition point is hardly noticeable and creates a very precise, smooth bevel throughout the full length of the bar. Precision Bevel can bevel carbon steel, stainless, armor plate, and everything in between. Even longer parts can be processed in the same way. The length of the piece is not a limiting factor. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a call or stop by with any questions. We are Precision Bevel, 859-468-8770 in Burlington, Kentucky, or on the web, precisionbevel.com.